Hello everybody, it's Dana Sullivan, your Stampin' Chick, here with another Make It Monday. I'm so happy to be with you today. How was your weekend? I hope it was absolutely fabulous. My weekend has been absolutely fabulous too. I am on an adventure with my family cross country, so I'm not in my craft studio today, but I managed to get my hands on a paper pumpkin kit. Oh! Do you see how beautiful this box is? Oh my gosh! I absolutely want to just buy a whole stack of the boxes all by themselves. It is so pretty. Notice the flowers, the green writing. It is just the most beautiful paper pumpkin box I've ever seen. Now I know that the box isn't just what you're wanting to see. Of course you want to see what's inside. So we're going to get right to it, okay? Now, this is an unboxing, and I've actually had an ability to make just a couple of small, little, quick and simple samples. I'm not in my craft studio, so I don't have access to all of my stuff. So that's going to have to wait until we get home at the end of the month, where I can actually get my hands on my own paper pumpkin box. But let me show you what's in this kit, okay? Now, of course, we've already been playing, so I've got a whole bunch of stuff in here that's just scraps, and we've been putting the kit together, so it's an absolutely adorable kit. You're going to just love it. As you can see, there are 4 different cards. Each of them have their own coordinating envelopes, and when I tell you these are beautiful, folks, that is kind of an understatement. These cards are gorgeous. They're absolutely beautiful. Now let me get right to showing you what they look like, okay? So this one you recall because this is one that we got to do at On Stage, and so everyone has been showing this one around, and you can see it's beautiful. It's absolutely adorable. And then the next one, it kind of matches the box. Actually, it very much matches the box. It has those beautiful little flowers, and look at this pink string. We used this on the first card, but then check this out. Let me see if I can get close enough. Do you see that gorgeous little trinket? That bird is so cute. I am in love with the bird. Okay, and then we have this card. It has beautiful birds and flowers stamped in the background. Then we stamped this darker color of cluster, the pretty peacock corduroy ribbon here, or velvet ribbon, and then the beautiful sentiment, the flower cluster here. It is just to die for. And you see the foil trim. It is so cute. Look at this one. It has a really pretty foil trim too. And so right here you can see there are 3 different sizes of, what am I trying to say? Ah! There are 3 different sizes of sentiment frames. That's what I'm trying to say. Of course, you call it whatever you want to, but you get the idea. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 here. Okay. So these are fun. There was actually just enough of this one and this one to do the projects, but this one had 3 extra pieces that you could use for alternative projects. So that was kind of nice. All right, and then the last card is absolutely beautiful too. See, I told you, these are all very nice. I love the background. It had the splash color of blues and grays, and that may be crumb cake, all around it. And then we stamped the birds. And then this feather is an embellishment that came in the kit. It is so pretty. There is 1 extra of that one. And then the kit came with 3 different kinds of ribbon total, which is just unheard of. Let me get them out here. Alright, it came with the pink cord, it came with a linen thread, and then it came with this, I don't know if it's corduroy or velveteen, whatever you want to call it, but I'm pretty sure that's Pretty Peacock. And it's absolutely beautiful. And then the kit came with 4 of the feathers. So as you can see, in the kit you're doing 3 each of 4 different designs, so 12 total cards. So you do have 1 extra of the feather to use for an alternative project. And then you've got, let's see, 1 extra, I believe, of each of these. Or at least, let's see, there's one extra of the blue one anyway. So, not too many extras in this kit this time, but there are plenty of cards, and they are absolutely gorgeous, so it really does make up for it. And then with the bird trinkets, there are 4 of those, so you'll have 1 of those left over as well. And they are so pretty. They're kind of a heavy weight though, so they are going to add a little bit of weight to a card if you put it in the mail. But they're not very thick, so, you know, there's that. But they are so cute. I love them. The ink is Early Espresso, and absolutely love it. It works very well with the projects. And then each of the envelopes have their own decoration on the outside, and then on the inside have their own design. So we've got this one. We have this one. Look at that striped paper. Isn't that beautiful? Of course, you know, when I get mine and get to playing with it, I'm going to tear one of these buggers apart. And then there's that one. And then last but not least is the beautiful little bird's nest. And it has the greenery behind it. So, aren't they beautiful? Look at that. They're gorgeous. I'm telling you, I have got to order refills. I'm not sure if there are refills yet, but I'm hoping there are. And if there are, I am going to be snatching them up, my friends. Okay, and then we have the stamp set. And let me see if... There we go. Alright, so we have these gorgeous little scripty words, which I think are absolutely fabulous. I am totally in love with them. We have the standard, what am I trying to say, like typeset letters and words. So you get this fabulous blend of the scripty word and the typeset. So you can see that's kind of a theme with the way that they're doing their projects. It's so pretty. And they even have the ampersand, so it's so cool. And then here is the flower cluster that we stamped with this one. And then it has 2 different styles for the bird. So you can see one of them is more spread-winged, one of them is more like it's flapping. And then there's a feather that coordinates with the feathers in the kit. And then there's this fabulous splatter background, which is so cool. I love that too. So all in all, the stamp set is absolutely gorgeous. It matches the kit beautifully. Folks, this entire kit is just absolutely amazing, okay? If you got it, congratulations. You're absolutely going to love it. You're going to have a great time playing with it. Do beautiful things with it. You're going to have a lot of fun. If you missed out on it, I'm so sorry. That's so tragic. Don't let that happen again. Make sure that you're signed up for Paper Pumpkin. The kits are all gorgeous. I mean, Paper Pumpkin, Stampin' Up, they are really knocking it out of the ballpark, folks. I mean, the kits are gorgeous. Okay, now I'm just going to give you a really quick look at just a couple of alternative projects that we were able to do. And, you know, I'm really sorry that I don't have my usual big stack of alternative projects here, but I will, I promise. So let me just show you these here. This one is just very simply a piece of petal pink cardstock. This is a little piece of the Bird Ballad Designer Series paper with some of the early espresso ink behind it. One of the little sentiment blocks. I've got the bird stamped here, and then we used some of the Bird Ballad ribbon, and then I don't know if you can see them, but there are some of those little clear epoxy droplets you see there, and we just put those on there, and that looks really cute. It's very, very simple, but it's very nice. It'll be a great card. And then this one was a lot of fun. It kind of reminded me of a vintage letter or something like that. It actually started out with the very vanilla background, and we've inked it up a lot, as you can see. And we took a little bit of pretty pink or petal pink and inked it up as well. And then took one of the cards and cut the front off of it, inked it up, and stamped Grateful down here, and then put some pearls and a strip of that velveteen ribbon here, which is so pretty. I love it. This set is so cute. I can't get over it. So this has been more of you know, collage-y or vintage, shabby chic, earthy type of cards and theme, and these coordinate very well with the cards in the kit. But then, you know, I was layering a couple of pieces together, and it kind of turned out very cute. It was a really clean look, and I started to add more to it, and then I just stopped myself and said, no, just leave it alone. So here is that card. It's just a vanilla card base with a little piece of, this is one of the envelopes that we cut, and this is the background from. And then a piece of petal pink cardstock that we just stamped the love and hugs. And you see, I used them. I love the ampersand. I love the two different fonts together. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is a very simple and clean card. It's just fabulous. And it could be used for anything. So, all right, folks. There you have it. I'm not going to be too long-winded today. We're visiting and we've got a lot to do. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you'll look forward to seeing my other alternative projects when I get back home from my trip. And in the meantime, y'all have a wonderful day. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.